This is Alberta Hemsley of Withrow International High School in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today we're going to look at penny mass. We need a 4-bean balance, pennies from 9 years, and a data table. The data table has two parts. The upper part we find raw data, and in the lower part we find some raw results. One good place to start is by taking the pennies we have from the 9 years and ordering them from oldest to youngest, left to right. At the top of the raw results place, there are blocks for you to enter the dates of your pennies. Enter the dates of the 9 sets of pennies. Your oldest set of pennies will be in that first block. Let's start with the oldest pennies first. Lay them out. At the top left of your raw data table, there's a place where it says to put the mass of the single penny. Weigh the first penny. Make sure to weigh it to 3 decimal places. Next we weigh the second penny. Put the correct 3 decimal value for the second penny in the same column. Weigh the third and then the fourth pennies to the correct 3 decimal values. Finally, find the mass of the 5th penny, again weighing to the correct 3 decimal value. The next direction says to find the total of the masses of the 5 coins as added up with a calculator. We will add up these 5 values and find a number that again has 3 decimals. Use the calculator, plus, and get a total. And now we need to find the average of the 5 coins as calculated from the total added up with a calculator. We take our total and we're going to divide it by 5 for the 5 pennies equals the average of the 5 coins, and that number will be to 3 decimal places. This first average has to be put down as part of our raw results. Move that same number down to the bottom for the number 1 value. Now we're going to find mass of 5 coins a second way. We're going to put all 5 coins on the balance at the same time. So this time, put all of them on the balance. Find the value of the mass of the 5 coins to 3 decimal places. And the last piece of raw data in this column, we're going to find the average of a single coin calculated by dividing the total of the mass of the 5 pennies on the scale. Enter the mass of the 5 pennies into your calculator. Divide by 5, and that equals your average mass found a second way. This second average mass is also a value that we need down at the bottom for our raw results. Notice that the last thing we need to do on this page, in this column, is to find the difference in the 2 averages that we found. Put in a first value, subtract, and get your difference. And there you have it. We have filled in the first column on our data sheet, and now we need to go back and fill in the next 8 columns. Good luck. Enjoy.